Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on the eye care mode on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So, at first you need to open here the settings, and now, wait a moment, I need to just lower my brightness level a little bit so they can see it comfortably. Now go to the display. Here, once you're in the display, tap here the night light. Here you can tap turn on now, and now as you can see our screen is more orange. Here we can increase the filter blue light and from low to recommended or high, and same as with the reduce white point. Reduce the intensity of red colors, which makes it easier to look at your screen. Apart from that, if we disable it, we have something called the read mode. If you tap it, you can tap for entire device. Now we have the reading mode, which is comfortable for our eye. But the feature called the eye care mode is not named in this device. This is called the night light, but it's the same actually. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.